Imagine a world where everyone speaks the same language. Communication barriers vanish instantly. Ideas, knowledge, and culture flow freely across borders without translation. This thought experiment presents a compelling vision of global unity and understanding. It suggests a future where misunderstandings rooted in language differences simply cease to exist. In such a world, international collaboration in science, technology, and global challenges like climate change could accelerate dramatically. Research findings would be universally accessible. Educational materials could reach every student directly. Trade and commerce would become significantly simpler and more efficient. Diplomacy and international relations might navigate fewer linguistic complexities, potentially fostering greater trust and cooperation between nations. However, language is far more than just a tool for communication. It is deeply intertwined with culture, history, and identity. Each language carries unique ways of thinking, specific cultural nuances, and historical memory. The loss of thousands of distinct languages would mean the loss of unique perspectives on the world. It would erode the rich tapestry of human expression and heritage that has evolved over millennia. Many languages contain knowledge about local environments, traditional practices, and unique worldviews that are difficult or impossible to translate accurately. Indigenous languages, in particular, often hold keys to understanding biodiversity and sustainable living. A single language might standardize thought processes, potentially stifling creativity and diverse problem-solving approaches. The richness of human cognitive variation is partly reflected in linguistic diversity. Even if a single language were deemed desirable, the practical challenges of transitioning are immense. Which language would it be? How would billions of people learn it? And what would happen to those who couldn't adapt quickly? Such a transition would likely be disruptive, potentially creating new forms of inequality based on linguistic proficiency. The process itself could lead to conflict rather than unity. Our current reality is one of vast linguistic diversity, with thousands of languages spoken around the globe. While this presents challenges, it also represents an incredible resource. Each language is a unique human achievement, a complex system shaped by history and environment. Protecting endangered languages is increasingly recognized as vital for preserving cultural heritage and knowledge. Perhaps the optimistic vision isn't a world with one language, but a world where we better navigate and appreciate our linguistic diversity. Investments in language education, translation technology, and support for endangered languages can bridge gaps. Promoting multilingualism and cross-cultural understanding allows us to connect while retaining the richness of our individual and collective identities. The goal can be mutual understanding and cooperation, celebrated through the chorus of many voices, not just one.